Welcome guys back to my channel and Happy New Year. And today I'm going to show you how to knit one more basic and beginner friendly hat that can be done within one evening. So you can attach also pom-pom here, yarn pom-pom or fur pom-pom. And for this hat I was using as usually the Lion brand yarn wool is thick and quick, and it is super bulky yarn number 6. And as you can see, I used less than a half of their skein. There is 170 grams. That's what I have, and it could be even enough for matching baby, toddler, or child hat. And for this hat, I was using 9mm knitting needles. It is US number 13. And if you need a written instruction, please, I left the link below in the info box. Please check it. So let's get started. For this hat, for the adult size, 53, 57 centimeters, I cast on 44 stitches. But if you want to use invisible joining method, cast on 45 stitches. And I will show you how to do it with circular needles that is more than 40 centimeters length. Slip the first stitch to the right hand needle and slip over the last stitch and drop it off the needle. Pull the yarn and return the first stitch to the left hand needle. And pull tails, and of course place marker if you need. And let's start from the ribbon. Check that you don't twist stitches, and let's start from ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So go on ribbon till the end of this round. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Like this. Pull another needle and go on ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1 till the marker. Like this, go on ribbon for 8 rounds in total, or until the ribbon part reaches 5-6 centimeters. Okay, the ribbon part is ready. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 rounds of ribbon. And let's start the main pattern. There will be only 2 rounds that you are going to repeat through the whole body part. The first round we purl all stitches around. Purl. So sometimes I purl through the back loop, sometimes I purl through the front loop. It's just a purl stitch. It doesn't matter how you purl it. Just look at, at the stitch and how it looks, and don't twist it. So purl all stitches around till the marker. The second round, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Again, it's just a simple purl stitch. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, repeat till the marker. Round number 3, and we're going to repeat round number 1. We purl all stitches around. Purl till the end of this round. Round number 4, repeat the round number 2. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And that's basically it. So round number 5, you repeat round number 1, and round number 6, you repeat round number 2. Knit 1, purl 1. Go on knitting till the end of this round and knit until the head measures 19 centimeters from the edge. Okay, welcome back. So let's measure my head. And it is exactly 19 centimeters. And I'm ready to start decreases. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it means I've done 22 rounds after the ribbon. So let's place marker and start decreases. In the first round, I'm going purl 2 together all the way around. Purl 2 together, purl 2 together. And go on till the end of round. Purl 2 together, purl 2 together, till the marker. Round number 2, there will be no decreases in this round. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Go on till the end. Round number 3, And this is the next round where we are going to make decreases. And again, purl 2 together all the way around. Purl 2 together. Purl 2 together. Repeat till the end of round. And the last round without decreases, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, push this needle and pull right hand needle, purl 1, purl 1, knit 1. There will be no purl at the end, just knit 1. That's it. That's what we have now. Let's cut the yarn. Take a hook or yarn needle and thread tail through remaining stitches. I'm using hook. It's up to you. Okay. And from this side, perfect. Pull to close top, and that's what we have. Okay, draw tail to the wrong side. And with in tails, will not show you this time how to do it. You can find it how I was doing it in my previous tutorials. So that's it. Now you can attach pom-pom, faux or real, or even make a yarn pom-pom. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this tutorial. Bye!